in the last lecture we had discussed on some linear equations, and now we are studying some more application of linear equation. So here linear equations are solved in the last exercise, but right now we are solving some practical problems, but these problems are somehow difficult. So the first problem is available in example number 14. So it is solve example number 14. We have discussed this type of some practical examples in previous time also, and that are somehow simple, but this time somehow quite difficult to solve. The digits of two-digit number is differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So what we have to do? Suppose the number is xy. As example, suppose the number is xy. So this is two-digit number x and y. Clear? Now when we interchange these two, that means let I take this y, x. This is the interchanged number because the positions are interchanged. And first of all, what is given? Here is xy. And by using this, one equation is obtained that the digits of two-digit number is differ by 3. That means one number is greater by 3 digits. That means let I take the x is greater one. I am taking this, not perfect. Clear? You may consider anything, x, y or y, x. There is no change in the answer. So let us consider this xy. Then first of all, the relationship is x equals to y plus 3. That means this x is simply this x is greater by 3. We are considering this not perfectly, but suppose this x is greater by 3, then I have to add 3 in the number y. Clear? So what happened here? This is an equation, but here we are considering this unit place and this is 10th place. So by interchanging this and by adding these two, the main thing is xy and the rest thing is plus yx, and this addition is 143. Instead of x, if I put y plus 3y. See this thing. This is not an expression. This is not an expression. This is a number, two-digit number. Suppose let me take 9. So second one is 3 lesser one. So this number should be 6. So this is 96 a number. But not the multiplication of 9 and 6. Remember this thing. In the question, given is number, not the multiplication of x and y. Clear? Here 96 a number, a natural number. Suppose natural number is, let us take 52. Then this is also a number. Clear? And 5 is greater by 3 than 2. So this is a natural number and it is expressed in this format, y plus 3y. And plus y is what? Here y is y. But x is y plus 3. Instead of x, we are putting the y plus 3. Instead of x, we are putting y plus 3 equals to 143. Then what happened? Now how can we add these two? How can we add these two? If sometimes the numbers are given in this format, like 52 plus 84 or 85, anything else. Or sometimes let us take the same example, like 25, 52 and 25 both are interchanged, and this addition is something value. That means we should add the unit digit with the unit one and 10th digit with the 10th one. That means we should add 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2. Clear? We get certain number. But here, this is not an expression, so we cannot take this addition directly. Y plus 5 plus 3 and y plus 3 plus 5. You cannot get directly the addition. So there is possibility to get mistake in this format of this equation, because this is not an expression. Clear? So we should convert this given number into its expression form in such a way that we can add together, we can add with this another number. Clear? So we should convert that number into certain format. So let me understand how can we convert a given number into its expression form. So we can add with any other number. Clear? Now let us consider this. Instead of this thing. First of all, let us understand how can we convert a given number into its expression form. Why the expression is required? You get it? Suppose I am taking a number like 52. So how can we convert these 52 in the expression form? So see, this is the unit place. This is unit place number, and this is 10th place number. And we have studied that 10th place number is a multiple of 10. That means 5 multiplied by 10. And unit place is added to it, plus here is 2, so let I add 2. Clear? So 5 is at 10th place, so 5 multiplied by 10 and 2 is added with this number. Let us take the 3-digit number like 153. So here this is unit place, this is 10th place, and this is 100th place. Third one is 100th place. Clear? So how can we convert this 3-digit number into its expression form? So here 1 is at 100th place. So 1 multiplied by 100 because it is available in 100th place. Plus 5 is at 10th place. 5 is at 10th place. So 5 is multiplied by 10 and 3 is at unit place. So plus 3. 3 is unit place, it means 3 is multiple of 1. Here 3 is multiplied by 1. Here 2 is multiplied by 1. But this multiplication gives the value itself. We have studied in chapter 1 because it is multiplicative identity. So we get the same number. So we are taking the similar number as it is. Clear? So we can convert this given number into its expression form. Now we can add these two. See, this is 100, 100 ones are 100 plus 10 5s are 50 plus 3 ones are 3. When we get this, when we add these 3 digits, we get 153. Similarly here 5 tens are 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2 gives 52. So this is the conversion of a given number into its expression form. Here now we can add these two different numbers in this format. Clear? So we should convert these assumption number. Like suppose the number is here. According to the question, the digits of two-digit number is differ by 3. So if we consider the unit place is x. This is unit place. So what is the 10th place? What should be the 10th place? That should be x either minus 3 or plus 3. You may take this anyone because the difference between these two is 3. There is no particular criteria that 10th place digit is lesser by 3 or greater by 3. There is no anyone given the clue in the question. So you may take anything. There is no change in the answer. Clear? So let us take this number is x minus 3 here, or x plus 3. You can take anything. Here we are taking x minus 3. Suppose the number is x minus 3 x. Again, this is not an expression, that is, this x minus 3 is not multiplied by x. This is one type of two-digit number like 52 or 63 or 74, anything. The difference between that two is 3. Clear? So this is a number. So what is the conversion of the given number into its expression form? So 10th place is x minus 3. X minus 3 multiplied by 10. Let it multiply it with expression of the given number is 10 multiplied by x minus 3 plus the unit digit is x. Got this? Now, what is the given mode? If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, that means, so after interchanging, the given number, the new number became new number is, now let me interchange, this is unit place, so it became at 10th place, and this is 10th place, so it comes in unit place, x minus 3 and x. This is two-digit number. Now let me convert this number into its expression form. That means this is at 10th place, so 10 multiplied by x plus x minus 3 is at unit place. So x minus 3 is available at here, x minus 3. Clear? Now what is given in the question? When we add these two, that means original number and the number differ by 3, and original number and interchanged number. So when we add these two numbers, that means this number and this number is equal, then we can add this similar number also. That means again, let me add two numbers, 10 into x minus 3 plus x. This is, now this is in multiplication. See, 10 is multiplied by x minus 3. Clear? So this is an expression form. Plus, this is old number and this is new number. This one, 10 multiplied by x means this is 10x plus x minus 3. These two are added, gives the result 143. We get this number. Clear? That means by adding these two we get certain number. Now this is an equation. This is a linear equation. We can solve it by solving this equation. We get a value of x. Clear? We get a value of x, and by putting the value of x we get the original number. Clear? So let me simplify this equation. Let me open this bracket first, smaller bracket. So here is 10x minus 10 is a 30 plus x. plus here is 10x remain as it is plus x minus 3 remain as it is equals to 1 4 3. Again here this 10x plus x 11x plus 10x 21x plus x 22x. Total addition is 22x. And here is minus 30 and minus 3, that gives minus 33 equals to 143. Got this? Now what happened here? Let me subtract 33 on both, add 33 on both sides. So 22x equals to 143 plus 33. This minus 33 plus 33 will give 0. So this addition gives 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 0 1 7 6, 22x. So here x equals to 176. Let me divide by 22 on both sides. By dividing 22 on both sides, here is 22 by 22 is 1. Remaining x 176 by 22. Here we are doing the similar process on both sides. So 176 divided by 22. Now how we get this simplified? 176 divided by 22. So let us do here 176 divided by 22. Now what is the multiple of 20? 22 8s are, do this. 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 170, 176. So 22 8s are 176. So here this division is 8. So what is the value of x? X equals to 8. Clear? So this is a number form. It is the expression form. Now we get, by interchanging these two positions of number, we get the new expression. By adding to expression, we get an equation because we get a value of this addition. By solving this equation, we get the value of x. By putting this value of x at here, we get this number. So let me put this given value in the number. According to our supposing number, we are supposing that the unit place is x and 10th place is 8, sorry, x minus 3. Clear? So here, so the number is, unit place is 8 and 8 minus 3, that is 5. So our answer is 58. Here, if you consider, if you consider this, instead of this the number is x plus 3 and x. If we are considering the number is x plus 3 and x, then what we get this answer? Here this answer is 85. And both answer is correct. This number is 58, but if the number is supposed x plus 3 and x, then the answer be 85. If we supposing this number instead of this 58, we get answer 85. Then both answer is correct. You should remember this thing. Both answer are correct. Clear? Both answers are correct. Because if we consider this is 58, then interchange the number is 85 and both the addition gives 143. If the number is 85, its interchange position is 58, then addition is 143. So in the question there is no given the perfect value that 10th place is lesser by 3 or 10th place is greater by 3. There is no given in the question. Clear? So we can take any supposing value and we get these answers, so both answers are correct. Clear? Now let me solve the next example. Example number 15. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find the present age. This is similar to this previous time, but let I give you some hint to solve this. Here. So, example number 15. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Now, whose age should we consider? That means whose age we should suppose here. So, Arjun's age is twice as old as Priya. That means if we consider the Priya's age, then Arjun's age be 2x. If we consider the Shreya's age be x. Clear? So let me consider that suppose Shreya's age be x. Then what is the Arjun's age? Is 2x. Then 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. So 5 years ago, that means we should subtract 5. That means x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. And which type of relation is given here? 5 years ago his age, that means Arjun's age was 3 times. Arjun's age was 3 times the Shreya's age. But obvious here is this value is greater one because it is multiplied by 2x. Here 2x minus 5, here is x minus 5. So this value is greater one. So to make it equal, to make both equal, we should multiply 3 at here. We should multiply 3 at here. That means Arjun's age is 3 times. How can we equate both? By multiplying 3 with the Shreya's age, both age became equal. Now this is an equation. By solving this, we get the value of, if we get the Shreya's age, we can obtain the Arjun's age. Clear? Now let me move on exercise number 2.4. Do the sum by yourself at home because some hint is given. Problem number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? That means we should, Amisha is guessing now, so we should also guess it. Clear? So suppose the number is x. We don't know what is that number. Now what type of the sentence formation is given? We should convert the sentence formation into its equation. Here Amisha thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So let us subtract 5 by 2 from it is x minus 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. That means this is now this whole thing gives some result. Now let me multiply this with 8. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now we obtained is now Now we get certain result, certain value by solving this. We get some value. The result is now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. That means the same number. That means the number is x. So she get the number is 3x. 3 times the same number. When we solve this thing and she get the 3 times the original number. Clear? So we get another equation. What is the number? That means by solving this, we get the number. Let me simplify this thing. So let me open this bracket first. Here is 8x minus 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 equals to 3x. Here 2 4 is 8. Here is 8x minus 5 4 is 20 equals to 3x. Let me subtract 3x on both sides. What happened here? 8x minus 20 minus 3x equals to 3x minus 3x. We are doing the same process. Subtraction of 3x on both sides. Here is 8x minus 3x is 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Now let me add 20 on both sides. Here is remaining 5x minus 20 plus 20 equals to 20. 0 plus 20 gives 20. We are adding 20 on both sides. This is 0. So remaining thing is 5x equals to 20. Let me divide by 5 on both sides. We are dividing by 5 on both sides. Here 5 will be cancelled and 5 4s are 20. So x equals to 4. So the supposed number is 4. Clear? If you want to find this, so you can verify, you can cross check it by putting this value of x at here. If you put this value and if you get the answer of 3 times the original number, then our supposing number is correct. Clear? You can cross verify it. But we will see it later in the same chapter. Clear? Now, the second number, a positive number is 5 times the another number if 21 is added to both the numbers. Then one of the new numbers become twice the other number. What are the numbers? So we should consider one number. The positive number is 5 times the other number. So let me suppose the first number is x. Here, suppose the first number is x. So what is the next number or what is the new positive number? First number. So second number should be, according to the question, the positive number is 5 times the another number. So the another number. So we can, let me change this supposing position. That means the another number should be another main number, because the positive number is 5 times the another number. So suppose the another number is x. So the positive number should be 5 times x. Clear? This type of assumption is easy to solve. You may consider that the positive number is suppose x, then the another number should be x by 5. Clear? But here this type of assumption is so simple to solve. That assumption is also correct and we get the same answer to solve. Clear? But here this type of assumption is very easy. Now if 21 is added to both the numbers, let me add 21 here, x plus 21 and here is 5x. So 5x plus 21. If we add 21 to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes the twice the other new number. Now see, these both numbers are now became new because our assumption number is x and we added 21, that becomes the new number. Here the positive number is 5x, we are added 21, that we get new number. Both are new number. But in the question, one number is twice than the other number. So which number is twice one? How can you identify this? Which number is twice than the other one? So here, see, this number is x. Suppose the number is, let me consider as an example, not a perfect, but let me take x is suppose 7. So 7 plus 21 is some number. And here is 5x, means 5 times 7 plus 21. Now, the value is x, but here, this value is 5 times x, that means this number is already greater, and then 21 is added to both. So, which number will be greater one? Which number will be greater one? This one. Correct? This is 7, and this is 5 times 7. So, this, and then 21 is added to both. So, this number is greater one than this one. That means in actual this number is twice than this number. Got it? This number became twice than this one. We are taking this as an example, not perfect one. But this number is twice. So how can we equate these two? By multiplying 2 at here. If I get multiplied by 2 at here, both number became equal. Clear? According to the question, one number is twice because we don't know which one. So by taking this assumption, we get this number is twice than this one. So by multiplying 2 at here, now we can equate these two, and this is an equation. By solving this equation, we get the value of x. That is the another number and positive number. So we can obtain both numbers. Clear? So simply solve this equation and get the answer. Here is 2x plus 21 are 42 equals to 5x plus 21. Here let us subtract 2x on both sides. It is 42 equals to 5x minus 2x. We are subtracting 2x on both sides. 5x minus 2x is 3x plus 21 as it is. Let me subtract 21 on both sides. Here is 42 minus 21. Here is 3x. Remaining as it is, because 21 plus minus 21 gives 0. 42 minus 21 gives 21 equals to 3x. Let you divide this both value by 3. What is the answer here? 3 will be cancelled, and 3 7s are 21. So what is the x? X equals to 7. Our assumption answer is correct. We are taking some example in previous. We don't know what is the answer, but we are taking this assumption, and that assumption is correct. Clear? So we get x equals to 7. Here another number is 7. And what should be the positive number? That should be 5 times 7. That means 35. Clear? So this manner we can solve some more problems. Here, then now the time of homework. So solve the problem number 3, 4 and 5 in homework, because the problems are of similar type of, that means the problems on number and some problems are of age. Clear? And we have solved the similar problems. If you have some doubt, then you may see the example number 40 and then solve by yourself by observing that example. And some problems are on ages, then you can see the example number 15, that is similar to this. Clear? And some problems of the number system, then you can check these numbers also. How can you solve it? Clear? So these problems I will solve you, but do this practice by yourself to get good marks in the mathematics. Clear? Okay.